Hello and welcome everybody. This is the JILBOTICS Classroom. I am Olunlade Joshua, and today we are still dealing with photoresistors and analog input. But what are we doing today? Today we are going to be using a photoresistor. You know the way you covered it and the value was changing on the serial monitor. Now we're going to be applying that. We're going to be using that to switch on an LED when it is dark and to switch it off when it is bright. You know, this could be like you could large scale this project and use it as a traffic light, not traffic light, sorry, street light um, project, in such a way that you have smart street lights. You go outside and then you measure what your LDR will be when it's dark, and then you can actually create that LED light to be there. So whenever it is dark, the LED will switch on, and whenever it is brighter, like during the day, it will switch off. So you already know that at certain times when it is becoming very dark, your street light will automatically come on, and that is really the point of all this automation and learning of Arduino and everything. It is to apply it in the real world. You could also find several other applications, maybe in your room, in your house, whatever. Think wild. So today we are going to be using an LED and an LDR. So when the LDR is um, dark, or when it has been covered, or when it is sensing, when it is not sensing enough light, it will switch on. It will tell the Arduino, or the Arduino will tell the LED to switch on. But if the other case happens, then it will tell the LED to switch off. So let's get to it. The functions we'll be using today, we'll be using void setup, void loop, pin mode, analog read, serial print line, and delay. We know that the analog read will be the main thing that will be reading, the main function that will be reading in the value of the LDR. By now you understand how to do that. We'll also be using the digital write to write a state to our LED whenever it is dark. So the parts we'll need today, apart from breadboards and a few jumper wires, you will also be needing an Arduino Uno, photocell, 10k ohms resistor, and an LED. I forgot to put in the resistor for the LED. You will also be needing that here. So now, how do we connect this whole thing? And here is the connection diagram. You can see that the LDR part remains pretty much the same thing, and then we add in our LED, connecting our LED to pin 7. We connect our LED to pin 7. By now I believe that you have practiced this LED connection, so you should understand it by now. Connect our LED to pin 7, and in the next video, that is in the screen recording video, I will be showing you how you can program it. You can also think wild and manipulate it. Thank God you know a little bit about programming now, so you can think wild and manipulate it, make it that when it is on or whatever, just think. This thing is all about thinking. So in the next video I'll be showing you how you can use your Arduino to control your LED by the input you get from your LDR. My colleague told you that what makes your robot, or what makes whatever you build very smart, is the sensors you use. So now you are going to be experiencing that today. So in the next video we'll be seeing how to do that on the programming. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask on the JILBOTICS Classroom platform. Thank you and bye.